I'm literally down a corner now. Hey, I'm down a corner, give me 2 seconds. All right, ta-da. I'm looking at her. What's that say?
Oh, dear.
It's a fucking joke, isn't it?
And it's her first week, so it's my responsibility.
It's not a first week in any fucking kitchen, though, is it? There's a million kids out there who would die for this fucking opportunity that you've been given.
For the Instagram.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!
Mandy, it's time and time fucking again. You're not doing the orders, man. I
made a
can't do my
mistake.
work.
I didn't do them last night, did I? I'm sorry, I apologise. I apologise if I said sorry.
Andy.
Hello, mate.
Namaste, chef. Okay. Namaste. Good to see you, mate.
Yeah, nice to see you.
This is the critic, Sarah Southworth, as you know.
Hello, love. All right. Well, he's brought that fucking Sarah thingy with him. The food critic.
Mate.
Good to go. What's this all about?
This is about you taking 200,000 fucking pounds off me.
Sorry.
200,000.
We'll just have a quick picture. A bit of a fun boy moment, but it's okay.
Hey.
Oh, hi there. Okay, how are you?
I think like there's a waiter.
I am sick of your fuck-ups being blamed on us. I do not fucking like you. They don't like you. Nobody likes you.
We've got to do this. We've got to make the right decision and make it right now.
Andy, this is your fucking fault, my man. You don't do the prep. You don't give a fuck about us. You fucking come in thinking of food. You're a fucking ass.
You do the right thing, or you go under, and so do I.